In this video, we discuss 11 benefits and uses of rosemary essential oil. Rosemary, Rosmarinus officinalis, is an evergreen plant with linear needle-like leaves covered in glandular hairs that release aromatic volatile essential oils. Despite being best recognized as a food seasoning, it is one of the world's most popular fragrant and medicinal plants. Rosemary essential oil, which contains the plant's basic components, or essence, is extracted and sold in small bottles. Because of rosemary oil's history of therapeutic benefits, there has been interest in using it to generate novel medications, according to a 2018 update study. Though the majority of this study is still in its early stages, it supports several traditional uses of the oil while also demonstrating potential new applications. Let's get into the 11 potential benefits and uses of rosemary essential oil. Number 1. Improves memory and concentration. Studies have shown that the aroma of rosemary oil can enhance cognitive function and improve focus. Perfect for those study sessions or workdays when you need a mental boost. Simply diffuse a few drops of rosemary oil in a diffuser while you're working or studying. You'll feel more alert and focused in no time. Number 2. Relieves stress and anxiety. The soothing aroma of rosemary oil can help reduce cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress. Try applying a few drops of diluted rosemary oil to your wrists or neck and take deep breaths. This can help calm your mind and ease anxiety. Number 3. Promotes hair growth. Rosemary oil can stimulate hair follicles, leading to stronger and longer hair. It's a popular choice for natural hair care. Mix a few drops of rosemary oil with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil, and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing it out. Do this regularly for best results. Number 4. Alleviates pain and inflammation. Rosemary oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain from sore muscles, joint pain, and even headaches. Dilute rosemary oil with a carrier oil and apply it to the affected area. Massage gently to help relieve pain and inflammation. Number 5. Boosts immune system. Rosemary oil has antimicrobial properties that can help fight off infections and boost your immune health. Diffuse rosemary oil in your home to purify the air and support your immune system, especially during cold and flu season. Number 6. Enhances digestion. Rosemary oil can help stimulate the digestive system, relieve indigestion, and reduce bloating. Dilute a few drops of rosemary oil with a carrier oil and rub it on your stomach in a clockwise motion. This can help ease digestive discomfort. Number 7. Improves respiratory health. Rosemary oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help clear congestion and improve breathing. Add a few drops of rosemary oil to hot water, cover your head with a towel, and inhale the steam. This can help clear your sinuses and soothe respiratory issues. Number 8. Skin health. Rosemary oil can help improve the appearance of your skin by reducing acne, improving circulation, and providing a healthy glow. Mix rosemary oil with a carrier oil and apply it to your face. Be sure to do a patch test first to ensure you don't have a sensitivity to the oil. Number 9. Natural insect repellent. Rosemary oil can help keep pesky insects like mosquitoes at bay. Mix rosemary oil with water and a carrier oil in a spray bottle and use it as a natural insect repellent. Spray it around your outdoor space or directly on your skin. Number 10. Other uses. Scientists are looking at various potential uses for rosemary oil, but human research are limited. Test tube studies are not the same as human research that examines essential oils via inhalation or topical administration, both of which are acceptable human applications. Furthermore, some animal research have used rosemary oil orally, which is not recommended. Essential oils should not be swallowed. Still, rosemary oil may be effective for cancer. Rosemary oil possesses antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that test tube studies indicate may be hazardous to cancer cells. Liver and digestive health. According to animal studies, rosemary oil may increase the secretion of bile, which is necessary for fat digestion, as well as activate your body's antioxidant defense mechanisms to protect your liver. Food poisoning. Rosemary oil can help prevent the growth of certain types of bacteria that cause food poisoning. This necessitates employing precise, extremely small volumes of food-grade oil. Do not experiment with this at home. Antibiotic side effects. Rosemary and other essential oils may improve the efficacy of certain medications. This may allow for a lower dose of these medications, resulting in fewer adverse effects. Antibiotic resistance. Rosemary and other essential oils may damage the cell walls of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, allowing drugs to penetrate. Number 11. Easy to use. You can topically apply or inhale rosemary oil. Only a few drops at a time should be used because it's very concentrated. Single droplet dispensing is made easier by the plastic droppers found in the little bottles in which it is supplied. There isn't enough scientific data to support the claims made by some manufacturers that it is safe to ingest or absorb their essential oils, especially when it comes to long-term use. It is never advisable to ingest essential oils. Here are a few easy guidelines for applying or inhaling rosemary oil topically. Inhaling. The most straightforward technique to inhale rosemary oil is to open the bottle and breathe in. Alternatively, you can apply a few drops on a rag or tissue and set it near your face. Many people use aromatherapy diffusers, which release essential oils into the surrounding air. In general, avoid placing a diffuser close to newborns or young children because it is difficult to determine how much they are breathing. Topical use. Rosemary and other essential oils are easily absorbed into your bloodstream when applied to your skin. It is often recommended to dilute essential oils with a neutral carrier oil, such as jojoba oil. This helps to avoid skin irritation and premature evaporation of oil. Here are some common guidelines for diluting oils for topical use. Babies, use 1 drop essential oil per 1 tablespoon carrier oil. Children, use 1 drop essential oil per 1 teaspoon carrier oil. Adults, use 3 to 6 drops essential oil per 1 teaspoon carrier oil. After diluting the oil, apply it to the bottoms of your feet or the affected body region, such as a sore muscle. Next, massage the oil into your skin. This enhances the blood flow and oil absorption. Avoid using rosemary and other essential oils on damaged skin or near sensitive areas like your eyes. It is typically recommended that you avoid rosemary oil if you are pregnant, have epilepsy, or have high blood pressure. Rosemary oil may exacerbate the latter two disorders. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.